Hi everyone to Implema Talks. This is Johan Söderström with my guest Joacim Karlsson again here. We are continuing actually to explore the world of SOW. For those of you that just dial in, we have already discussed the differences between time and material and SOW, what to consider and so on. But also in the second one in this series, we also looked into how do you sign it, what's important, what insights and so on. So it's a heap of knowledge with this guy. But before I go into that, Joacim, who do we have on the line here for those that are new into this?
Yep. So my name is Joacim Karlsson. I am a SAP Fieldglass consultant at Implema. Been working within the MSP scope and the BMS scope, SAP Fieldglass, for many years now. I've been working as operational by procuring external workforce. I'm also implementing it across EMEA and globally, both the contingent module and also the service module, which is the topic for today. And for the last 2 years, I've been working more within a technical standpoint, working with future rollout of SAP Fieldglass in a big organization, and currently now is the statement of work lead on our implementation project that we're working on today.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Really good. So you are indeed the guy to talk about when it comes to SOW then. So that's really good. So now if we just kind of frame this, so we've done, we decided to go for SOW. We need to get that spend pocket. We get it in shape. We have the design and everything of that sort. Why and what can we get out of it? What type of results? What can we use the data for? How do we? What's the normal case in this?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think I will start with the what. So what are you procuring? What are you setting up in the service module? So I've seen many examples. It could be small statement of works. You can hire a company to do a installation of some routers, some technical stuff. Basically you hire a company for an outcome, but there will be personnel with there that will be in your offices. So you need to keep track of them, but you still have the service aspect of it. We'll get back to that later. And also seen very big statement of works where you engage external suppliers that handle the restaurants and the cafeterias at your sites across the globe, and also big, of course, statement of works where you drive implementation of new IT software, and the list goes on and on. So that links into the next aspect of why you do this. Well, you want to track that what you procured is the cost of it is following as expected. You also want to see, as Christina mentioned, regarding compliance, because even though you engage a service from a supplier, there will still be people working at your premises. They might need some special guidance. They might need some special tools or need to write some NDAs, stuff like that. And with the continued module, as you procure a headcount, it's more reasonable to have those activities, but it's easily forgotten when you have those kind of big service and work packages. So by combining the two of those, you can make sure that even if you engage for a big project, a supplier, you make sure that all of their personnel is accounted for, so who have access to your IT environment, and they have written NDAs and such, while still making sure that the spend is on track for the big project. Yeah. So that is just for one statement of work, having all of that information at the same place, and now having all of those statement of works at one place, which is SAP Fieldglass, is you get a total overview of your external workforce.
Yeah, I'm with you, and I think that's also for me, being in the ecosystem for quite some time, that's actually one of the major benefits when it comes to SAP Fieldglass, is that you only pay when services have been delivered, because you sign them up, regardless of what it is. And that holds especially true for SOW, because there's a lot of hidden costs, and most suppliers are good, but some actually they that's where they grab the margin, and some cases that might be perfectly fine to do, but at least you want to know it, right? So that's kind of but Joacim, thank you very much. I really appreciate this, and anyone listening, just reach out to us at Implema. We're happy to discuss these things. We live it daily. So see you out there. Thank you very much, Joacim. Much appreciated.
Thank you, Johan. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye-bye. Cheers.